I'm trying to thin this Santoku today. This is what I did is I used some tape on it, medical tape. This one, because it's a very flat knife. So I thought, by using that a few times, I did manage to make it not very flat. So I think I should be able to thin it. So the first stone I'm using is this. This is called Kumi or Kumi combination stone. This is available everywhere for around 300 or 400 rupees. This side is very. This side is not really useful. The finer side is not bad actually. This needs a soak. I soaked it for around 20 minutes, I think, but it still takes water. Let's say I don't really have any hopes for this particular stone, but I just wanted to start on this and see, because this is much finer than the 400 grit Naniwa stone that I have. So let's see how it goes. I think this will not work. I'll just remove this and just try to raise the knife a little bit like this, and try to do it on the Chosera itself. I'm not really enjoying using this. So. Okay, let's see how this goes. This is a beautiful stone. Feels so nice to use. So this looks like it's gonna take a lot of time. I'll do it for 15 more minutes, and then I'll start shooting again. I'll pause it for now. So yesterday in the evening I tried doing this for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and my hands got really tired, and I realized that the Chosera 400 is not really the correct stone to do this. So I grabbed a bunch of sandpaper, starting with 80. I have a few 80, 100 and 120 papers. I wrapped it around this strap. I'll see if this will work. I'll do this for 10 or 15 minutes and I'll update you guys. I think I managed to do this part of the knife. It feels much smoother. But here, till here, I did do some damage, but there's nothing here. I think it's gonna take a long time. Alright, so this is after at least 20-25 minutes more of thinning it. I think we have managed to thin it from here till here or here. Okay, this is after 20 or 15 more minutes. I think we managed to remove some material all the way from here till here, also a little here, but this part is still remaining as it is. And we completely used up 180 grit paper. It's not really as effective as it looks. I'll replace this with another 80 grit. We finished the second 80 grit paper, and we'll use now we'll use this 100 grit one. So far, we have decent results. It's not very bad. I hope I can. Let's see what the 100 grit paper does. Okay, done with the 100 thing also. So I think it took me 2 hours or 2.5 hours of continuous work, at least, and yeah, I'll do this side now. I hope it's only gonna take 2 hours, not 4 or 5 hours. Let's see. I'll start. I'll take a short break and then I'll start this side. Thank you. This is after 15 minutes, I think. 15, almost 20 minutes of thinning on this side. Looks like it's gonna. There is progress definitely, but I think it will take at least 1.5 hours of constant work. I'll take a small break again and I'll resume after some time. This paper is done now. So we used 180 grit sandpaper on the other side also. I also purchased this one in the morning. Oh, looks like it's only 60 grit. I thought it is 80. Okay, that's good. Okay, I took a very long break for 4 hours, I think. Let's see how fast this 60 grit sandpaper cuts it. Right, I have this 400 grit diamond stone. It's a cheap one. I bought it in Amazon for I think 400 rupees, and it became very soft. It helped me sharpen one knife. That's all, and then after that it became very soft. But when I checked in this microscope, it was showing that there are a lot of diamonds still in it. So I thought I'll use this for the thinning process. Let's see if it will work or what happens. Some soap water. I don't understand if it's working or not. I definitely see new scratches here that were not before. They were not here before. I'll just go back to using this. This is our third day trying to thin this knife. Till now, at least it took 2 hours on this side and 2 hours 15 minutes on this side and about almost about 1 hour on this side. So total about 3 hours, 3.5 hours I think. I think in about half an hour's time on this stone, we should be good. I hope we should be good. Let's see. Right, so I've only used this stone now for 5 minutes, and we already I just worked on this part from here to here, and we already not even 5 minutes, 4 minutes or 3 minutes, that's all, and we already removed a lot of material. So this Naniwa 400 looks, though it feels very smooth and very not soft actually, but it feels very smooth and very refined for what for a 400 grit stone, but it removes material pretty fast. Yeah, it's so much fun to use. I'll work on the entire knife now. Let's see. Okay, I'll update you guys after about 15-20 minutes more. Bye. At this point, we worked on this stone for about 30-35 minutes. I'm very satisfied with the results. What I'll do is I'll put very deep scratches on this side. So I'll just use it on the stone for 5 minutes and try and remove those scratches. Okay, I said 5 minutes, but it literally only took about a minute to remove those scratches, most of them anyways. I'm actually satisfied with where it is right now. So now I'll sharpen the knife and I'll try and create a new edge here and see if we will be able to sharpen it or if we ruined the knife or what we did. So first I'm gonna do this. So it's obviously not sharp enough. Let's try and cut some pieces. nothing at all. It's almost like a butter knife at this point. It's okay. You do have a very pronounced blood all the way from here till everywhere. I recently got this children's microscope. It's actually very helpful to see the edge. Not bad. I think maybe it's catching somewhere here. Yeah, I guess here. I'll stop it and see if that helps. This has 3 micron diamond paste on it. not bad actually. Whenever I say not bad, I end up. Let's see if it push cuts. It easily shields also, I think. I'm gonna leave it here. I'll not really use any other finer stone. This 400 finish is more than enough for the kitchen knife, I guess. At least for this one. See, not bad.